5 planters ideas that will make your neighbor envy. 1. Antique birdcage planter. Bring back the 80s atmosphere by giving your garden a vintage touch with this antique planter. Create fun display for your plants with repurposed items like an old birdcage to achieve a distinctive look that no one else in the neighborhood will have. All you need to do is to clean out the cage and put vibrant colored flowers in it. This is surely a no-brainer planter idea that will make your neighbor envy. 2. Barrel planter. If you are more into a countryside and cowboy-themed garden, you must consider this beautiful barrel planter. Even if you are living in a tiny apartment, a small-sized wooden barrel filled with potting soil can make a lovely home for your favorite seasonal flowers. This is a classic and timeless piece to build a wonderful rustic garden look. In fact, barrels are basically shaped like containers already, so there's not much effort you need to do to turn them into lovely planters. 3. Wishing well planter. Give a magical touch to your garden with this easy-to-make wishing well from recycled tires. If you're lucky enough, your neighbors will give them out for free, or you can scavenge around the block. Just stack a couple of them, drill drainage holes, put a roof on, and you're good to go. This wishing well looks great with bright colors, but you can always use your imagination and creativity to paint them in any design you like. 4. Hanging herb planter. Repurposing old items is a win-win solution for your crafty soul and your pocket. Not only you will save money, but creatively reusing junks will also save our earth. This project is all about giving a new purpose to used cans or baskets into the most amazing and gorgeous planters you can make your own. Throw in some potting soil and veggies or herbs, voila! You have your own edible garden in your front yard and make your neighbor jealous. 5. Terracotta on the wall. Lining your terracotta pots on the ground is the most boring thing a green thumb could possibly do. Don't waste your time planting your best flower collection on them because no one would even care to take a second glance. Instead, elevate your potting level by hanging them on your wall. Hang some vines as well to make a natural frame to add a little more green decoration.